And my clear message to the NUER community, I'm saying this not because I want you to go and fight, but I want you to know your enemy. Your enemy is Kir and his administration. Your enemy are the people that held the meeting and want to annihilate your community. These are your immediate enemies. If you know them, at least you will be vigilant. And to the entire South Sudanese community, if we let Kir administration to annihilate the NUER community, we will be the next. We should also acknowledge the role of traitors and puppets like Taban Dengai and Stephen Paul, among others. This individual always sells NUER out for their personal interests and gain. They want power, money, and positions. Okay? In this case, you should know that without the NUER people, you are actually nothing, Comrade Taban Dengai and Stephen Paul. Because of them, today you earn a huge respect in South Sudan. And one day, if all of them are killed, you'll be kicked out, like what happened to Tokyo. That's my message to you. And to the entire South Sudanese, I would like to say to you that Kir is our problem. Kir initiated the war in 2013. Kir initiated the 2016 war. 2024, he killed people in Mukaya and Kulipapa and Jebel Iraq. And again now, 2025, he's killing people in Nasir, Wulang, Akobo, and you want to do more. And if you are there, you think that Kir is a good person just because he comes from your community, you are lying to yourself. It is about us, the South Sudanese. Kir has caused more harm than good to us. If you are there, you want to agree with me, welcome. And if you want to disagree, you're also welcome. And thank you.